Hello everyone. In this video I wanted to show you all how you can actually save your document. So we've been working on our document, we've been making changes to it, and we don't want to have to start all over again. We want to actually save our progress. So if you come up here in the top left, you should have an autosave option, and you can decide if you want to turn that on or not. If you decide you don't want autosave on, you can actually manually save your document with Control S on your keyboard, or you can click on the save button. And once you have your document saved, you can actually, if you are saving it for the first time, it may prompt you to select a location where you want it to be saved. Or maybe you're working on a document and you just want to save a version of it. You don't want to overwrite what's on the document. You want to make some changes to it. And you want to save it as a separate document. So once you made those changes and you want to be able to save it as a separate document, if you come back over here to File and then come over here to Save As, you can actually save the current version of your document without overwriting the current one. You can save the current version of your document without overwriting the original document. So then you would just want to go ahead and name whatever you want the current version of the document to be, and then the location, then you can hit save. And that's great because then once you close out your document, it's not going to have overwritten the changes that you made unless you accidentally saved it, in which case you're going to have to undo the changes that you made. And obviously, you'd want to make sure that autosave was off because otherwise you're going to be overwriting that original document. But that is the ways that you're able to actually autosave your document, to be able to save the changes to your document, and then to be able to save a separate version of your document without overwriting the original.